I've tested a bunch of countertop convection ovens so you don't have to waste your money on ones that don't perform. From air frying and baking to roasting, I bought the top 5 models and actually used them in my kitchen for a few weeks. Today, I'll break down how each one really works, what's worth it, and who should buy which. Product number 1, NewWave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. When I first held the NewWave Bravo, I was impressed with how solid it felt. The brushed stainless steel gives it a really premium look, and the tempered glass door just feels sturdy. My favorite part was adjusting the top and bottom heaters while cooking. I made a pizza and got that perfectly crispy crust with melted cheese without restarting the oven. The integrated digital temperature probe also made a big difference. I set it for chicken, and it automatically stopped when it reached the right temperature, so I never worried about undercooking. The 112 presets were actually useful too. I could save my favorite recipes and recall them anytime, which made weeknight dinners easier. If you cook a lot and want precision plus flexibility, this one's worth it. It's a bit larger, so perfect for families or anyone who hosts dinner often. Product number 2, Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Emeril Lagasse oven feels huge and heavy, like it belongs on a professional counter. The French doors are a nice touch, smooth to open and close, and you can see inside with the interior light, which I appreciated while air frying. It has a 26-quart capacity, so I roasted a full 6-pound chicken with room to spare. The dual-speed fan made things crisp really fast, and the toast function is super convenient, no burnt bread ever. I also like that it can handle everything from snacks to full meals for 4-6 people. If you're hosting family dinners or like having a versatile large appliance without needing a full oven, this one's great. While it's on the bigger side, I actually found it worth the counter space because of how many functions it combines. Product number 3, Toshiba MLM 45-pit BS Countertop Microwave Oven. The Toshiba microwave surprised me. At first glance it looks simple, but once I started cooking, I noticed the inverter technology really makes a difference. I heated leftovers and defrosted meat evenly without the usual hot spots. The smart sensor menus worked as promised. I set it for a potato and it came out perfectly cooked every time. I also like that the keypad has a sound-off option, no annoying beeps late at night. Build-wise, it felt solid, though lighter than the big toaster ovens. This isn't a full convection oven, but for someone who wants quick cooking, reheating, or a small countertop microwave that doesn't overcook, this is a strong option. It's compact but still fits a decent-sized casserole or frozen pizza. Product number 4, Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Holding the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, I immediately noticed the weight. It's solid but not cumbersome. The Element IQ system is crazy precise. I roasted a chicken and the oven adjusted heat where it was needed, so no cold spots. Air frying fries on super convection gave them a perfect crunch, and the interior light helped me see exactly how things were cooking. I loved that it can dehydrate up to 4 trays at once, which is perfect for snacks or meal prep. The 13 cooking functions made it feel like I didn't need any other appliance. If you want one countertop oven that's as close as possible to a full kitchen setup, this is the one. The only thing to note is the price. It's more of an investment, but worth it for serious cooks. Product number 5, Chef IQ Mini Oven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Chef IQ Mini Oven feels sleek and modern. The touchscreen with haptic feedback makes it fun to use, and pairing it with the app turned it into my pocket sous chef. I cooked a 13-inch pizza and used the air fryer function for fries at the same time. The motor is powerful and the food came out evenly cooked every time. I also loved the soft close door and the rack indicator lights, which made using the different presets easy. With 25-quart capacity and 11 cooking functions, it's perfect for families or anyone who likes smart features. If you're into tech and want precise control from your phone, this one's hard to beat. Even without the app, it's a very capable and versatile countertop oven. All 5 of these ovens have their strengths depending on what you cook and how much counter space you have. Check the links in the description for current prices so you can pick the right one for your kitchen.